cookies. Today we're shopping at Out Below for my dog Nolly. And yes, she's spoiled. So first, you haven't been with me for a while, so I got her this vest and this pink shirt with a pink mat and a water thing for when we're on walks. I think I might get her this bed. It's only $12 and she will love it. I mean, she might chew it up, so I don't know. So we'll think about it. So we're heading over to the dog section now, actually. It's okay. Okay, what would Nala like? What do you think? Should I get her this? She's a golden shepherd. I mean, she might like this, or I could get her something else. Let's see. This might be a deal. This is $5 for 8 tennis balls. I think I'm gonna get her that. I came this way. I've been over here a few times. There is a lot of stuff for dogs. I might get her treats or something. I might get her this cute pink backpack. I can put her treats in there or something and clip it to for harness. Okay. My mom's credit card was not harmed during this, so I might get her a hairbrush, maybe cooling training pads. I got her 8 tennis balls. What else could she like? Like maybe treats? I don't know. She really does like bacon, so I might get her bacon. And I might get something to make her not chew up the bed. Like, let's see. Here's the treats. They are only $5.55. Odor control. Beef jerky, beef burgers, spinach, tartar control, chicken.